look at the basic operations of a simple machine. And we have to begin with the first one that we itemized down here. Don't forget, we first had the first type of simple machine to be the lever system. So we're going to begin explanations regards to operations of simple machines with the lever system. So a lever system is an example of a simple machine which requires just a little application of force, and it now enables you to overcome a large resistance or load. To understand the operations of a lever system, some terms must be defined. These terms include load, effort, fulcrum. Now what's a load? Load is the resistance to be overcome or lifted or moved. Effort. This is the force applied on the body to lift or move a body. Don't forget, load is the resistance that you intend to overcome, that you intend to lift. That is load. And then effort now has to do with the applied force or the energy applied. That's what we have force applied on a body to lift or move a resistance or a body. Fulcrum. This is the fixed point on a machine around which the forces revolves. Fulcrum. Okay, I'm going to give you a diagram of how a fulcrum looks like in due course. It is also called, or it's also known as the pivot. So we have the lever system. Now, lever system is based on the principle of movement, where a force, that is the load or effort, moves through a distance. Now we have different classes or three classes of lever system. There are three classes of lever system depending on the position of the load, effort, and fulcrum. These are the first class lever system, the second class lever system, and the third class lever system. Now don't forget, these lever systems are positioned, or they are based on the position, based on the position between the fulcrum, the effort, and the load. Do not forget, at first we have explained what the load is, the resistance that has to be overcome, that has to be pulled, or has to be moved, or carried, or lifted. And the effort here is the force applied in lifting or in moving this body or this resistance. And the fulcrum here is the fixed point in the machine around which the load and the effort is revolved. Take an example from a plier or scissors. Take an example from a plier or scissors. When you have a plier or scissors, you have the load, the effort, and even the fulcrum. I'll tell you more about that. So let's go down to the classes of the lever system. The first class lever system has a fulcrum between the effort and the load. Examples are crowbar, pliers, scissors, and claws or claw. The second class lever system here has to do with the load. The load is between the effort and the fulcrum. Take note of these three keywords: load, effort, and fulcrum. Don't be confused. Second class lever system has the load between the effort and the fulcrum. Examples include a wheelbarrow and a nut cracker machine or a nut cracker, etc. We have other machines that have or that uses the second class lever system. And then the third class lever system has the effort between the fulcrum and the load. Examples include the arm and the leg of a human body or of a human being. A pair of laboratory terms, fishing rod. How many of you have seen the fishing rod? What people use in fishing, or what the fishermen use in fishing? You know how the fishing rod looks like? It has a fulcrum there. It has the load, it has the effort, and the fulcrum is where we're going to call it a day. In our next class, we'll be considering the second type of simple machine, which is the inclined plane. But before we conclude this lesson, or before I give you an assignment, let's have a recap. Don't forget, we were talking about the simple machine, and we're able to define a simple machine to be an instrument or any equipment that can help you or that can help man to carry out his activities or to do his work effectively, easier, or let's say your work will be done easier, better, and without stress. That is what the simple machine does. And then we're able to list the types of simple machines. We say we have the lever system, we have the inclined plane, we have the gear, we have the weight, we have the lever, pulley, wheel and axle, etc. And now we also talked about the operations of a simple machine, where we have been able to discuss just about this first type of simple machine, which is the lever system. So in our next class, we'll be discussing on the next type of simple machine, which is the inclined plane. So you have an assignment here for me. I've been able to tell you so much about, I've given you so many examples. I've given you so many examples of the first class, second class, and third class lever systems. So I need you now to draw only 3 types of lever system as a simple machine for me. Now this is what I mean. I've made mention of a plier, I've made mention of a scissors, etc., nut cracker, to be examples of lever system machines. We have given you examples from, I've told you where the load should be, the effort, and the fulcrum. So I want you now to draw these simple machines for me. Choose one or just choose 3 out of all I have mentioned for you and draw them for me. That will be your assignment. Please try to do this as much as you can or as fast as you can and submit as soon as possible. See you in our next class. Thank you.